Hello everyone. I'm gonna make a small unboxing video. Dell U2723QE monitor. The letters U is UltraSharp and 27 is how big is monitor, and 23 is the series, and Q is gonna 4K and E is standards. So let's see inside papers. Let's see instructions, more power cable. Probably we need that. It's quite standard. Papers. USB-C to USB-A cable. Both are USB-C. Nice. And that is display board. We're gonna use that. Stickers if you want to put. And let's see. Unboring stuff. Let's see what is there inside. That is the base, so it goes cable and somewhere. Nothing here probably. And that goes, yeah, that is the leg, what goes in the base. You need to put there and screw that. No need to screwdriver. Let's see, and there is the IPS Black monitor. Behind it's silver. Some joystick to navigate, to make the navigation. Looks nice. Matte fins in front. Okay, good. So behind you have my old monitor, but let's see. You need to put it strongly, close that. That is new stand and that's old one. So you can compare here the connection, how you attach the monitor. Yes, is the same. So you can use actually the old monitor legs if you want. So I'm gonna show how to attach that. You just put upper part and lower part and it attaches. You can open that button if you want to open the monitor, change the leg or something. Yeah, a little bit wobbling, but otherwise I think quite nice. So I put my monitor on and there is, yeah, you need to, oops, that was the power button. So navigation is behind, and I'm gonna show you. There is the joystick and left, right, turning up and down, and if selecting is with button, and the other button is power on and power off. In the internet, let's see what we're gonna find. There's a lot of photos and some information. Let's select that. Those are like the main stuff. IPS Black, other 400, 4K and USB-C. The main information actually. there is short other stuff. Let's go to the Dell own page. Let's see some photos, some more information. Color accuracy should be very good. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit better, but not so better, I think. We're gonna connect the monitors. Just behind the monitor. Some reviews. Seems most are 5-star maximum, so it's good. So I have two monitors. Left is the new one, and right is the old, but it starts B is like performance, and it's more meant to be like very good like photo editing. But you're gonna see a regular IPS, there is like some bluish tint, it's not so black. And new monitor IPS Black, actually, yeah, it's darker, it's more black. Yeah, you see here. It's a little bit out of focus, but I put like pure black photos back to see. But you see that actually the white is different as well. The right one is yellowish, a little bit yellow. Let's see what if I show the other different angles. I think it's quite good. Side as well, or up. Of course my camera changes automatically a little bit colors, but I think it's very good. If you put together two monitors, you're gonna see difference, but otherwise actually you don't realize that old was a little bit so. So I'm gonna show if I put my monitor table light as well, how it can attach here. I think it's working well. The slim edge is not too slim, so that's okay. I put now it's turned on the light. Let's see. I put different, not original leg back, so I want more space in my. So, thank you to watch the video. I hope you got some information or some close-ups. And if you liked the video, so you can put a like if you want. So, thank you.